Me neither.
It's in the next thing. A dead bird.
Yeah, I know. Hopefully we don't find a dead bird, but that's crazy. Look at that dead hawk, guys.
Oh my
That's
god.
crazy. A dead hawk. What is that? Yep. Me. Hey, how you doing? I'm Titan. Big boy Tight. Say hi, Tight. My son. The man himself. Mari Mar, the star.
I don't know what his phone
That's crazy. You ready to go back on this bike ride?
is. Sure.
Let's get on this bike ride, go get a bite to eat. Maybe we can go play a Jokers or somewhere. Okay? And tell your brother we just found a hawk. A dead one. See, he should have came.
I was just about to say that.
I miss you, buddy.